Technique number 4, that are the heterosis and the hybrid vigor. Heterosis, hybrid vigor are the outbreeding process. Is the phenomenon that causes the crossbreed of an individual to have increased the level of performance for the certain traits over and above the average of performance of their straight breed. Let's see clarification. What is the heterosis and the hybrid vigor? According to Schul, the developed superiority of the hybrid, that is known as a hybrid vigor, and heterosis is the mechanism in which this the superiority can be developed, that is known as a heterosis. Heterosis is nothing but the superiority develop, and hybrid vigor, it is nothing but the hybrid, it is a more superior, that is known as a hybrid vigor. Let's see heterosis breeding. Increase the growth vigor or the yield of a hybrid over the parent is known as a heterosis or the hybrid vigor. The crop breeding to the manifest heterosis is called as a heterosis breeding. It bring out the superiority in a F1 individual, but the vigor trends decreases the from the F2 generation to onwards. Heterosis means a deviation of a offspring from the actual characters of a parent. Heterosis, heter, that means a difference. Rosis, that means a individuals. Difference in a individuals, that is considered as a difference is the original size. In a plant, heterosis is appear due to the development of a stimulation induced by the union of gametes coming from the two genetically complementing parent. For the understanding the heterosis, to understand the causes of a heterosis, there are the two theories, or there are two or three causes. First causes, the phenomena of heterosis can be explained on the basis of the causes: genetic causes, physiological causes. The genetic causes understand with the help of a dominance and the over dominance. Dominance theory, this is proposed by the Davenport in 1910 and the Bruce in 1910, Carable and the Pillow in 1910. In this theory, based on the assumption that hybrid vigor result from the beginning together, the female is a dominant gene. According to this theory, the gene are the favorable for the growth, favorable for a vigor, and the growth are the dominant, and the gene are the harmful for the individuals are a recessive. The genetical basis of a heterosis, that hold the increase the vigor and the size of a hybrid due to combination of favorable growth gene by the crossing of two inbred races. In other words, hybrid vigor is a result of a action of the interaction of a dominant or the fitness factors cumulative polygenic effect of a dominant gene. Let's see, there are the two types of genotypes. First, capital A, small bb, capital CC, small dd. Small a, capital BB, small cc, capital DD. That are the one example. One parent having the having the two dominant genes, and the another parents having the two dominant genes. When they are cross, A parents having the tall characters having the 1 points, and the recessive characters having the 0.5 points. Let's see, in the first parent there are the tall two characters. Okay, that means there are 4 points, and the recessive two characters, that means 1 point. That means a total 6 point in each parent can be produces. When cross are made, we have to get A, BB, CC, and the DD. That means every individuals having the one tall character and the one dwarf characters, that we get 1 points, that means 1.5 points for each. That means 2 points for each individuals, and the total points get 8 points. That is known as the dominance theory. Dominance theory, that means when crossing between the two genes, two organism, crossing made between two organism, and the interaction of a dominant gene and the recessive gene. If more dominant gene comes in one organism, that results to the showing the superior characters. Hybrid vigor result from the bringing together the maximum number of dominant favorable genes in a F1 hybrids. Favorable gene, dominant gene, unfavorable gene, recessive gene. Example are there also one example, capital KG, GG, PP, NN, RR, small KK, capital GG, small PP, capital NN, small RR. Code from the year length. Now code for the year length. The parent 1 and the parent 2. If there are the capital K, capital P, capital R is equal to 15 centimeter, and the small g and the plus n, that is a 2 centimeter, and here 3, 10, and the total is a 13 centimeter. Dominance gene is a 5 centimeter and the recessive gene it is a 1 centimeter. Find out the crosses and the which showing the dominant characters. And the result, that is when cross are made between that two variety, we get characters of offspring having the 25 centimeter of F1 hybrid. Simply cross are made between two variety, capital KK, small kk, that will be a exchange, capital K, small k, then capital G, small g, capital P, small p, capital N, small n, capital R, small r, and overall characters, that is a 25 centimeter. That is better and the more sufficient from that parent 1. Parent 1 it is only 17 and 30 centimeter, but crossing in that it produces the 25 centimeter. Then overdominance hypothesis heterosis. Consider that there is a physiological stimulus to development of that increases the diversity uniting the gametes. Diversity uniting the gametes. The overdominance hypothesis variously known as a single gene heterosis, cumulative action, divergentales, stimulation, divergent allele Fisher is called as a super dominance. Let's see overdominance. They can also prove by with the help of a example. There is a capital 3 2 gene is a dominant and the 2 gene is a recessive. 2 gene is a dominant and the 2 gene is a recessive. That also explain the overdominance hypothesis. The hybrid vigor due to superiority heterozygote over the homozygous allelic combination is a more vigor than the single allelic expression. For that another also one example, A1, A2, A3, A4, that are the allele of a different function. A1 cross with the A1 we get a A1 and A1, A2 cross with the A2 we get a 2A2. So we have A1, A2, A1, A3, A1, A4 are the more vigor than the A1 and A2, A2. That means if the single allelic character are present in the phenotypes, we have to only there is only one superiority, but we have 4 types of a superiority: A1, A2, A1, A2, A2, A1, A1, A2. That means more superior character we have to see. That is due to the over dominance characters. Effect of a hybrid vigor. There are the root of carrot, then leaf of spinach and lettuce, flower of cauliflower, fruit of cucurbits, brinjal, peas. That are the effect of a hybrid vigor and the heterosis. Let's see the physiological causes. Greater initial capital hypothesis. This hypothesis was proposed by the Ashby in 1930. He studied the physiology of the inbreed and the hybrid of a maize and tomato, concluded that the hybrid vigor is due to the increase the initial embryo size, and he termed as a greater initial capitals. Then cytoplasmic nuclear interaction. Michaelis, Schulz, Lewis, and the others suggested that the hybrid vigor is the interaction of cytoplasm and nuclear system. And cytoplasm transparent the fluids rich in a RNA, and the mitochondria, which is usually transmitted through the female parent. It is a basically result increase the metabolic activity. Heterozygous its effect on as well as established manifested in the following effects. First, it is a quantitative effect. Quantitative increase the size and the genetic vigors. Hybrid generally more vigorous than its larger, healthier, faster growing than the parents. For example, head size of cabbage, jar, cob, and the size of a maize and the fruit size of tomato than its parent. Hybrid is a more or the superior increase in a yield may be a measure in terms of a grain, fruit, seed, leaf, tuber, or the whole plant. Hybrid usually have a increase the yield, that means a increase yield than its a parent one. Better quality hybrid also improve their quality than its a parent one. For example, hybrid of onion show the better keeping quality. Then physiological effect, greater resistance and to the diseases and the pest. Some hybrids show the greater resistance to insect or diseases than its parent. Greater flowering and the maturity. Earliness, highly desirable vegetables, and the in many cases of hybrid, there are the earlier flowering, maturity, and then its parent. For example, tomato hybrid are the earlier than their parents. Greater adaptability. Hybrid are usually less susceptible to the adverse environmental condition. Then biological effect. Hybrid exhibiting the heterosis show increase the biological efficiency and increase the fertility, reproductivity ability, and the survival ability. Heterosis in animal. Mule is an hybrid from the cross between the jack and the mares, which been known as since ancient times, as well as the quality of a strength of a stubbornness. The cross made between the red Sindhi breed and the Indian cattle and the Jersey breed of America contain 30% of a butters in a fat in a milk. Increase the pork yield in a pigs, more egg laying, hence silk production in a silk. Okay, this is about today's lecture, and here are the chapter number second is a completed. If any doubts related, you can ask me.